Hi there, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to find relevant clips to enhance your videos, whether you are using a free platform like pixels.com or a premium online Canva elements. Last video, we have created this script from ChatGPT. At first, we have to segment the script to find the clips, okay? So we'll segment the script in four formats, okay? First one is a hook, 1 to 3 seconds is like hooks. Actually, these hooks grab the attention of the audience. Okay, then introduction of the video. It can be 10 seconds to 20 seconds. Then body section, the larger part, it can be 1 minute to 2 minutes based on your topic demand. And last one is the call to action or CTA. Whatever you say, it depends on you. I can say CTA or conclusion. It should not be more than 30 seconds. So I can say less than 30 seconds. Okay. So now let's segment this whole script into this formula. This AI update is transforming the video creation industry. So I can put this into this section. It actually grab the attention of the audience. Then this can be our introduction, and the prompt actually it can be our body section, and the last part is a CTA. So CTA part should be more appealing so that actually people can visit the website at least. Okay, they can visit the link because we will create a affiliate link and promote that link. So at least we need increase the CTR. So let's see the target. So 10 AI minutes per week. Okay. So 40 video, we can say, this in video's biggest update, version 3, try in video AI for free and make 40 free videos this month. So it's almost free. So we can tweak the script as per our need. Okay. So now we can just remove this section. We don't need that. I just put those things for your understanding. I hope you understand the total formula. Now we'll emphasize or bold the punch word. So this AI is a punch word. So definitely I'll bold it and make it more larger. Transforming. This is another one, definitely. With this new AI, so new AI is another punch word. Can create realistic video. Anyone can create realistic video. This is another punch word by a simple sentence. So example is a punch word. Definitely I'll add that. This is in video's biggest update. Try in video for free. Yeah. This is the perfect one. And also this one, make 40 videos each month. Okay, nice. So we have just used the password. Now we need some clips. There are a couple of ways we can download our clips. There are a few platforms and paid platforms in market. Pixels over here is a totally free. Pixabay is another platform, totally free. Invert Elements, it's a paid platform, has a lots of video clips. Also, iStock, it's a very expensive platform. For this video, we can just avoid this one. Text some mention, is it AI clip? Okay, select videos. I don't see any AI clips over here, or we can just AI clip. It has to be related, okay? These are the most generic version, but I don't need the generic version. The original video was totally relevant and contextual, but unfortunately, there's no video over here relevant to our script. I mean, ancient Egypt. Let's try this one by looking for videos, AI video. Also, in this platform, I can say that most of the videos are generic AI videos. So in this case, we have to create this video from this tool. Okay. In our video, we can just show this option. So we'll create a video from this one. Okay. It should be realistic. Yeah, definitely. 4 minutes, no. 2 minutes, fine. And platform for YouTube, definitely. YouTube Shorts, actually. So definitely it should be longer. So it should be vertical. Now continue. We can edit the prompt again. No, I don't need that. Continue. We'll proceed with free version. So this is the video we just got from this in video, but there are other tools in the market. You can see where, let's say, Rano AML for the human imagination. This tool actually help us to animate the image from to video. There are many other tools in the market. You don't have to worry about it. You just search in the Google Rano AML alternatives. Okay, these all are the tools of alternate version of the. This is another Flicky, Pictory, with video. I hope you understand the process. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.